สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to World of Thai Food. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipe. It is so delicious and healthy. It is Mieng Pla or deep fried sea bass in betel leaf. And let's take a look at the ingredients. Sliced shallot, palm sugar, chopped chili, fish sauce, betel leaves, diced lime, roasted peanuts, shallot, sliced lemongrass, diced ginger, frying flour, and sea bass. And first step, I'm going to fry the sliced shallot. To fry the shallot, we need to use low heat. And while we are waiting for the shallot to get golden brown, we can put the frying flour on the fish. For the fish today, I diced them into bite size, about 1 inch. Mix them well in the frying flour. You can use tempura batter flour. And make sure to keep eyes on your shallot. It is now ready. Remember, it's gonna fry itself a little bit outside the oil, so take it out at good time. And then we can use the same oil to fry the fish. It has perfect temperature already. These will need only 3 to 4 minutes. A little tips here: when you do deep fried with batter flour on, you only move it around at the beginning only, and after that you have to let it be until it fries to golden brown. Otherwise, the batter will come off from the meat. And once you start to see that it starts to be golden brown, you can start to flip it a little bit because now the batter already well coated on the fish. Okay, now we set the fish aside, and now we're gonna make the sauce quickly. Use low heat again. Start with palm sugar, just to melt it, and mix it with fish sauce. These should take only 2 minutes, and it's ready. And then we will just have to mix all the herbs together in a mixing bowl. And then we just add the sauce onto the herbs we have mixed together. You can separate sauce and herbs, or you can mix them together just like this. And now I'm happy with the sauce and the herbs mixed. Next, we're gonna put it over the fish. And here it is, my favorite Mieng Pla or deep fried sea bass in betel leaf. It is so beautiful, I'm sure it's delicious, and it is very healthy. If you like to follow my recipe, you can find the link to my website worldofthaifood.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. For today, have a very spicy day. ขอบคุณค่ะ Now I'm gonna show you how to eat it. Wrap the leaf like this, so you have something look like a cone. Pick the fish, put that in there, close it a little bit more, and then you can eat it. Cheers!